game.com. As you know, top athletes in the world have some of the most muscularly developed physiques, some of the best looking physiques, and you know, yes, they work out hard, yes, they do have some time to work on that, but they don't have all the time in the world to create these physiques. They have appearances, they actually have to go to games and practice, they have media stuff they have to do, so they have a lot of obligations. They can't spend, 10 hours in the gym a day looking that way, let alone 2 hours a day in the gym. So what I do with my top athletes is I get them in and get them out and get a great workout in a short period of time. Today we're going to focus on shoulders, and there's one guy I look to say who has the best shoulders in sports. I go right down to the guy we saw in the NBA Finals just a couple of weeks ago. His name is Dwight Howard from the Orlando Magic. The guy is built like a brick house. Shoulder workout to get shoulders like that. I mean, that's what, to me, those are ideal. That's what I want to cover right here, right now, right? So here's what we have to do. We're going to take a pair of dumbbells. We're going to do the first series of exercises in a circuit. So just 2 exercises will be a circuit, and you go through this 3 times. No rest in between the 2 exercises. 30 to 60 seconds rest between each time you do the circuit. So we'll start off with an upright row into a hang clean combo. So I'm going to have to shorten my arms a little bit. But you go upright row here, clean, little press down, upright row, clean, press. Row, press, row, press. Okay? So right through 10 reps. Put it down, grab what I love is a little jump band, jump stretch band. Put it down. Okay? Call it a prayer, a little prayer combo. Get in this position here. You're going to press straight up and down, then raise up and down. Okay? Press straight up, down, raise, and down. Okay? So 10 and 10 of those. You rest 60 seconds, 30, 60 seconds. Start back again with your upright row press combo. Okay? And go back into the dance. 3 cycles of that, and then we're going to proceed to the next 3 exercises in the circuit. So from here, I'm going to take 25. From here, I'm going to go the pivot, so a little pivot, press down. Just the shoulder height. Just double checking my ceiling height. Okay? 10 reps, 12 reps, each side. I'm going to go something I call plate 8. 25 pounds, 35 pounds, 45 pounds, whatever your strength is. Let's grab a 25-pound plate. We're going to make a figure 8 shape. So I'm going to bring my plate up here, grab it down, and here. So my 8 is lying on its side. I'm going to make that shape. 8 8s. Start up over here, up, down the middle, up, down. If I'm doing this right, your delts should be on fire right now. Down. Okay, I'm going to do 4. First I'm getting toasted here with no rest. In a second I want to speed up the information here so I get it to you quickly. Last thing, I'm going to do a lateral, which you're familiar with for your side delts. I do my figure ball. Go back on top. A little bit lighter weights here. I probably could be going 10s right now. How smoked I am, which I think I will. Come down, Rest yourself on the ball here. Okay. And up. Okay, hold that position. Come down and up. What this does is it puts me at a little bit of a 45-degree angle without having to worry about that. Isolates the deltoid and starts to tie in the rear delt that usually gets neglected. Alright, so from here, up, little hold, and down. I was smart to drop it down to the 10s, because those 15s might not have moved off this ball. You know, see, I'll hold it at the top. One more. Okay, 2 to 3 sets of that last exercise. You know, take you 30 to 60 seconds in between. I'm not doing that, but it's okay. You're allowed to do it. Again, I just wanted to show you the exercises. So you want to get some big shoulders. You want to get Dwight Howard, Superman-like shoulders. This is what you have to do. Start doing a workout just like this. Mix it in your other workouts. You'll start getting these. So, people think you're smuggling softballs in there pretty soon. So that's it, guys. Again, you want to get great workouts, a lot of free, cool workouts that some of the top celebrities and pro athletes are using. Visit this link below the video at athletelean.com, or if you want, just click on the link to the right here, and you can get more just like this. So it's a pleasure bringing it to you. It's Jeff Cavalier. I'll see you guys soon.